Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on playing with clones. One of my viewers, and evidently a subscriber, sent me a little tip that I was maybe aware of, but I'd forgotten about it. If you are doing a lot of cloning and you wanted to find out where your clone was, this is a clone. This is a clone. Where's the master clone? Well, I know it's right there because I put it right there. It's called the control polygon. But if you will click on your mouse, or with your mouse, your right mouse button, it'll come up with a select the master. And there's our master right there. So that way you know that you can change the master and all your clones will work. So in here, let's say you've rotated this thing. This is my clone, or this is my original, and these are all clones. I can click on any of the clones with the right mouse button and select master, and it's going to show me my master clone. That easy. So you could change the color, you could change the shape, you could take your do like that and make any shape. And in the same retrospect, I don't really know where you would use this, but if you know this is your master, you could right click it and have it select all your clones, and then you could delete them and start over. Is the only reason I could see that. Or if you just wanted to see what the colors look like and you still wanted to do something with the clone itself. So there's our master clone. We're going to make it blue, and all of them turn blue. And so if you right click on any of your clones, say you've taken this and you've rotated it and you don't know which one's the master clone, you could just select on any of them, right click and select the master, and it's going to show you your master clone. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.